Welcome to 3-Minute Grammar, Lesson 5 about verbs. I'm Amy Modal, Communications Department faculty at Okanagan College. Let's get started. In academic writing, be sure to choose meaningful verbs with a clear action, especially when reporting another author's ideas. Although common, said conveys little information. Verbs might instead indicate a strong argument, such as the author argued, rejected, or objected. Verbs might show a neutral tone as well, such as the author illustrated or discussed. Then, understand how the verb type affects the structure of a sentence. English has two classes of verbs, transitive and intransitive. Transitive verbs transfer the action directly onto the object, a noun. In this sentence, the girl tossed the ball is directly affected, so the object sits right after the verb. Intransitive verbs do not transfer the action directly onto an object. Sat is an intransitive verb, so the girl sat can be a complete sentence. Readers might want more information, so we might add where in a prepositional phrase such as on the train for the girl sat on the train. You'll find intransitive verbs are common in academic writing. For example, the author argued, which might be followed by a prepositional phrase, for example, about the topic, or a relative clause can come after, for example, beginning in that, with that the earth is flat. So the sentence becomes simply, the author argued that the earth is flat. No object was required after this verb. After this review of verb types, I hope you'll look for transitive and intransitive verbs as you read and write. Notice how a transitive verb requires an object after, but an intransitive verb can be followed by a prepositional phrase or a next clause. Future lessons include complex sentences, reported speech, punctuation, and pronouns in academic writing. Thanks for joining me.